I just looked at this. I printed this last night. I was trying something different for supports. Really, they don't seem to do well on certain things. I had this issue on a couple of the printers. But this is like, woo, what the hell? Um, I printed this one before. It didn't come out like it came out differently. I don't know what to do with that one. Oh, yeah, so I printed this one before like this. And I think this one would print fine with no supports. So, probably best way to print it is print it like that with no supports. But I'm not sure what setting I need to change here. Maybe retraction or something. I've got Z-Hop on. But boy, that's messy. So, uh, I wanted to print two things at once, so that was why I enabled support. This is the adjustable bracket. I completely forgot about these because I had them printing last night. I want to say that other than a few issues like this is my most reliable printer. And, yeah, it just works great most of the time. There's not very many print failures. It's a pretty good printer. So, I think if I was going to have one printer, I'd just get rid of all of them and keep this. Especially with it in the enclosure, I can sit out here in the shop and print, and it doesn't seem to have any problems. I've got a couple rolls of ABS that I got from Dave. I'll have to try those out. But anyway, so we got lots of cool parts that we've been printing just to try them out and see what they're going to look like. Ooh, what's this? Some sort of print shift. Huh. Interesting. I've never had that happen before. So, I wonder if it came loose. I guess it must have. Shifted. Completely shifted. Eh. I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not.